Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 25th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily time frame, we definitely found some support at the 78% fib. On this sort of time frames, I do see the possibility of this potentially going up and making like a full proper pullback like this, like an ABC before it goes down again. So we could see a little bit of bullish price action for a few days now. But we definitely need to keep in mind that the trend is down on the weekly, down on the daily. This definitely could make a lower high, just keep on going down. So keep in mind these higher time frame trends. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, even though it is kind of drifting up a little bit, it is very sideways price action, and this is a very big holiday week. You know, Thanksgiving, I know it's just a US holiday, but it's a very big holiday week, and it often causes this kind of price action, sometimes throughout the whole week. So don't be surprised if it's a very sideways market. Now, if it breaks and holds above this structure, which it looks like it's trying to do, then we definitely would have more confirmation that this is going up for the wave C, like I showed on the daily. If it doesn't break this structure, then potentially we would still be looking for shorts every single chance we get. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.